Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about a small shortcut which can be used to assign the experiments while conducting the online exams. So let's proceed. First, sign in to your Gmail account, then click on these dots at the top right corner and click on Drive. Here you need to create a Google Sheet. So click here on the New button and choose Google Sheet. Now here we need to type in the random number, serial number, experiment, and as many copies as you want the same experiment to be allotted to different students. Now here under random, press equal to and random and type the opening and closing braces. Press enter. Go to serial number and type the number of experiments that you are planning to give. So let us say we have 10 experiments here. Then type in the statement of each experiment. So I will just type experiment number 1 and will drag it like this. You can type the full experiment statement here. Then select the formula which we entered and holding this dot at the bottom right corner, drag it down. Copy and paste the list of students from wherever you have down here. Now select all these places where the hall ticket number of students has to appear. Right click here and choose data validation. Then click on this table right here and choose all the hall ticket numbers of the students. Click OK and save. You will now see that a down arrow will appear for each of these cells. Now we will randomize the order of the experiments. To do that, first select all these cells and apply filter. Then go here at the random, click on this down arrow and choose A to Z. You can see that the experiments have become out of order. Now recreate the serial number in the correct order. Hide these two columns. And now you can call the students one by one and ask him or her which serial number he wants to choose. Let us say roll number 1 wants to take experiment number 4. Just click on here, double click and choose roll number 1. You can always expand this to show more of the cell. Now you can see the same experiment can be taken up by a maximum of 3 students, after which the row will be completely filled and the remaining students have to choose from the other experiments. So this way, once all these boxes are filled, you can just click on this arrow over here to reveal the title of the experiments. This will avoid any confusion in the choice of experiments that the students may express at a later stage. Now the students can note down the title of experiments and start writing their data on their respective answer script. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. This is Srikanth.